Sorry. I keep killing them from behind.
Ah. Try to take a truck. Are we going to the B and A?
Are you gonna take the truck?
Yeah, I want to.
Okay.
I want to the other side and first. If they don't take it from me.
Whoa, game has found me at the end of the map.
Yeah, I got it. So nice.
And it's already full, fuck.
You wanna jump on top?
Go, go, go.
Alright, alright.
I will capture some flags and then catch up to you guys.
I hope Number have a fucking bazooka or something.
We are losing ground in this battle. Take control of the enemy objectives.
I fucking knew it! I fucking knew it! Stupid man, 2 of them, man. They fucking planned it.
Our first soldier has fallen.
I'm not giving up. I'm gonna go to the other side, man. Fucking.
Objective dog is now ours, soldiers.
First aid, take it!
Another suicide mission.
Medic!
We are losing objective dog, soldiers. Fix them good.
And they put fucking mines there. What a fucking. I'm giving up with this fucking truck.
2 player here. One is here.
Be aware, we have lost objective dog.
We've lost the objective! Got first aid for you!
I knifed somebody and the other guy knifed me. What is fucking.
First aid, soldier! Take it, first aid!
Back here, soldier. Don't let them get away. Objective dog is ours.
I'm hit! I got you, mate!
They have come to our base. They are at F now, bro. There are a lot of them at F.
That's the first aid,
A truck full of them. F and E, yeah. Ah, come on, man!
I'm at B.
Fucking, I'm so mad, man.
I'm at B, it's fun on me.
All right, bro.
I don't think I'm gonna make it. There is a lot of them here.
Smoke them, bro.
Fox has been lost to the enemy.
2 people down. One is coming up the stairs. Guys, please play with us. Don't camp or don't just go around on yourself.
Taking the objective. Follow me, soldier. Attention, objective dog has been lost.
This garbage team lost everything.
We have now taken objective Able. Objective Fox is now ours. Objective is ours, sir! Up to the objective!
I think they have found your spawn beacon.
Yeah, I think too. But I have to. I need some ammo for deploying a new one.
Alert! We are losing objective Able. You got him, Mucker! Got you up and running. Getting more ammo! Let's we have lost objective Fox. Come on, get up!
Have this first aid.
Cheers, Mucker.
Got first aid for you.
Inside. Here, next to me, in the corner.
I got
We
your
have
tank.
taken objective Baker.
We got the objective. Got your pal.
In the pick again. Soldiers! For the objective!
Next to us in the house.
More first aid.
Thank you!
Now.
Attention, we are losing objective Charlie.
Yeah, first aid for you.
Attention, objective Charlie has been lost.
Let's go, let's go.
We have now taken objective Dog.
More first.
Soldiers, we have lost objective Beta.
Good job of killing him.
Keep hard, we can turn this around.
He's reviving here. He's still reviving and still reviving. Now there are two people. He's coming up the stairs.
Objective easy is now ours. I'm with you. We have lost objective dog.
They're just fucking moving. They're running in circles, man.
Good work, objective Baker taken. Shooting. For that one.
Smoke grenade! Take that!
You saved my life. Thanks.
That's for you. First aid.
Thanks for that. We have taken objective dog.
Dude, can you see him like in the chat? Fucking rambling on.
Yeah.
Because I killed him 3 times in a row. He was keeping looking for you, and so he was an easy kill for me.
There you are. First
He's
aid.
losing it.
Be alert, we are losing objective.
They are on you. I'm trying to spawn. Survive! Ah, fuck.
Please.
Dude, I just circle around the house. Like, go up and then jump up the windows.
I know. But I have a sniper, you know, and I have a rifle. Oh, he found my fucking spawn because it's fucking... He's in the middle of nowhere. Fucking
Dude,
stupid.
dude, you're keeping like 2 of their best players busy. We took all the fucking flags. We only just need D.
He's fucking camping and... Don't go to the spawn beacon.
We're too close to capturing Delta. If we capture Delta, they're down.
you, soldier.
Wow.
Place an explosive. We have lost objective Baker, soldiers.
I'm dashing D1 at B. It's coming down in 3, 2, 1.
Come on! Stay in the fight, soldiers. Take cover!
Fuck! Help me, someone!
My hero. Taker.
Who made you angry? You're playing.
Oh, thank you, brother.
Alert! Objective Charlie is being lost. We have lost objective Charlie.
What the fuck? This team is losing everything again.
Give a dead fish.
Oh, a smoke grenade!
Have a look. Danger, right?
That's more first aid.
Ah, he was right in a fucking.
Smoke grenade course. First
Use the
aid.
bridge.
Go, soldier. Come on, soldiers. Capture the objective.
The flag is completely destroyed, man. It's gonna be very hard.
I'm here, mate.
We need to build some sandbags.
Oh, come on.
You pal.
There's one guy here, one guy here, one guy here. Watch out, watch out. He's coming for you.
Break down in the dark. ready. Your request is good.
Like
Where
the
is that?
fucking
Where is that?
bulletproof smoke. It's behind me here. It's slowly right reaching.
Oh man. So much fucking shit on the way. Bushes and trees, I don't know, man.
Like there was this many fucking player in the flag, and my artillery only killed one.
Yeah, man.
That's the first aid bucker.
This guy fucking camper with machine gun.
Do you have a smoke? I'm fucking dead. I'm fucking dead. I'm alive. It's the bridge. It's the bridge. Above us, left side. Nice, nice.
A good shot.
Oh fuck. Where is this guy? Oh man, this guy. He's under the cannon, the big cannon, he's under there.
I need to reload the smoke. Give me time, guys. Oh fuck, we won. Who's this? Is
Fucking stop me.
Nearly beaten them. Keep going. Great to help.
give me time, give me time.
There. Get patched up. Calm. I'm fixing you.
Good job. We have taken objective Baker.
Two people in B.
Got to a bad place.
One people in B.
Be aware we have lost objective Baker.
Extremely good match for the last one. Like it was very,
Yeah.
very close and good. And it's definitely gonna be best squad.
Let's say.
Oh, it's on here, I think, the bomb.
I made it.
Oh shit, run.
Yeah, yeah,
Run,
yeah.
run, run!
I made it.
Objective Dog.
Yeah, me too.